Today, I'll show you how to analyze customer feedback in HubSpot so you can turn survey responses into clear, actionable insights for your business. Once you've logged into HubSpot and opened the surveys tool, start by locating the specific survey you want to analyze. This might be a customer satisfaction survey, a net promoter score survey, or any other type of feedback form you've created. Look through your list of surveys and click on the name of the one you're interested in. This will take you into that survey's individual results area, where all the feedback tied to that survey is stored. From here, you'll want to move into the Responses section. Find and select the Responses tab. Think of this tab as your master list of everything customers have submitted for that particular survey. You'll see a chronological list of every submission, usually ordered by date and time. Each row represents a single response from a customer. Within each response, pay attention to two main parts: the specific score they gave and any written comments they included. Scores might be on a scale like 1 to 10 or based on multiple choice options, depending on how your survey is set up. These scores give you quick, at-a-glance metrics you can track over time. The written comments, on the other hand, provide the context behind those numbers. This combination of quantitative and qualitative data is what makes the Responses tab so valuable. Take your time scrolling through the list. Start by scanning the scores to get a feel for overall sentiment. Are most scores high and positive, or are there clusters of lower ratings? If your survey includes a rating like satisfaction or likelihood to recommend, look for patterns around those numbers. Next, focus on the written comments that accompany these scores. When a customer leaves a low score, read their comment carefully to understand what went wrong. When a customer leaves a high score, look for what they appreciated. As you move through the responses, begin to analyze and identify trends. You might notice recurring themes such as repeated mentions of slow response times, confusing onboarding, or praise for a specific feature or support team. Make note of these repeating topics. These trends are often more important than any single comment because they show where your processes are consistently working well and where they might be breaking down for multiple customers. It can help to mentally group comments into categories like product issues, support experience, pricing concerns, or usability feedback. As you continue reviewing the chronological list, watch how these categories show up over time. Are certain issues becoming more frequent, or have they started to decline after a recent change you made? If you have filters or search available in your view, use them to focus on particular segments, such as only low scores or only comments that mention a certain keyword. This makes it easier to drill down into specific areas without losing the overall picture. As you wrap up your review, remember that the goal isn't just to read feedback, but to find patterns you can act on. By consistently clicking into a specific survey, exploring the chronological list of responses, and carefully reviewing scores and comments, you'll be able to analyze customer feedback in HubSpot and identify clear trends that can guide your next improvements.